In this video you will see how to rotate text box in Excel like this. It's very easy. First what you need to do is go to the Insert tab and then click on text box. Draw a text box of the size you want and type inside the text box. After typing inside the text box, now click on the text box, go to the shape format option, and here you will see the option of rotate. Click on the drop down and you can click on rotate by 90 degree, or you can also click on rotate left 90 degree like this. You can also go to the more rotation option, and here you will see the option of rotation under the size. At present it is 270, so you can just enter for example 160 degree and press enter and the text box will rotate. You can just change the numbers here and press enter, or you can also click on the arrows to rotate it by 1 degree each time. In this way you can rotate text box in Excel quickly. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Excel quickly. See you again in the next one.